Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro laser engraving module tutorial. The Makera laser engraving module is fully compatible with the Z1 and Z1 Pro to enable a quick switch to laser engraving functionality for your desktop CNC. It easily supports material marking and pattern engraving to expand your creative processes for your CNC projects. A protective cover is secured via magnets at the bottom of the laser engraving module to increase eye safety by preventing any scattered light. To install the laser engraving module, first secure the connection cable to the top port on the side of the Makera Z1 spindle. Connect the other end of this cable to the side of the laser engraving module. Position the yellow label towards the front of the Z1, then lower the quick tool change lever and insert the laser engraving module just like you would any other tool. After installation, ensure that the module is firmly locked in position to prevent rotation and wobble during any operation. Clamp your workpiece to the bed and ensure that your work surface is flat and free of any protrusions to avoid collisions with the laser engraving module. Close the top cover to prevent dust and fumes generated during laser engraving. Always wear laser safety goggles for full eye protection before use. It is also recommended that you only use the laser engraving module in a well-ventilated space or when connected to an air purification system, such as the Makera Cyclone Light Dust Collector with the pre-sponge filters installed. It is important to note that the ionizer module needs to be removed when using the laser engraving module. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.